Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's sweater weather. That's the first thing I have to say. It is raining outside, and why am I smiling so much? Because it's raining. The rain makes me so nostalgic. I'm from Seattle, if you guys didn't know that, and it's been raining the last couple days and I love it. It's like the perfect temperature. I've been burning my candles. I can wear a sweater. I'm into it. So I am maybe one of the few people that is really excited about fall. That being said, the point of today's video is I have to organize my beauty makeup area. It is really disorganized. It's been like overflowing. I don't have any room to put stuff anymore. There's no more room. There's no more room. I'm out of room. If you want to see me organize and get rid of and clean out and just make everything better, declutter my beauty and vanity area, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, here we are. I'm sitting on the floor and these things have all of my, not all, have all my makeup. That's true. All my makeup and a lot of my skincare. I also have a medicine cabinet in the bathroom that's full of stuff, but this is like home to all my everyday makeup, all my hair care, body care, like travel bags, extra makeup, extra skincare, and like the skincare that I do after the bathroom. So like I come in here and sit down to put on like my toner and my moisturizer and all that stuff. So this gets used a lot and it has had a rough time. It's just really messy. This is, what is this? This is like, yeah, this is stuff for the trash, old beauty products I've already been sorting through. This is stuff for a giveaway, so make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can enter into that. It's gonna be pretty juicy, and you can see I have like just extra makeup I didn't know what to do with. I'm just gonna go through it, and I have these little thingies, storage thingies from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'm gonna put those in here to help me organize. Yeah, this is the situation. This is the problem here. This is my everyday makeup, or the makeup that I just reach towards all the time, and as you can see, it is really messy. It started off being just like 4 products. Now it's full. So this is gonna happen. These are gonna go in there and it's gonna be much better. Everything's gonna come out. This is stressing me out. And a mirror. Oh my god, that's really, at that angle. Okay, so I'm gonna go through everything and see. This is covered. My vanity top is covered. I'm gonna go through everything and see what I actually use every day. I need to get my makeup remover wipes because, as you can see, the Shape Tape explodes over everything and it's horrible. So I guess I'll just start with the person to blame for all my problems, Shape Tape. We're just gonna go through this and see how it goes. Just gonna roll with it. I also have been using this Avon CC BB cream. I use that a lot. I use the Laura Mercier bronzer in Soleil. Oh, yep. I use the Flesh Beauty blushes in either Hug, this one, super cute peachy nude color. Use this one or this one in the shade Rub. Use my brow definer from Anastasia. That fits, that's good. And I use the Gimme Brow. Use the Laura Mercier setting powder, finishing powder. Use eyelash curler every day. Use Glossier Lash Stick every day. Link in bio for 20% off. Halo Scope, Glossier Halo Scope. I use the Dear Dahlia Lippies a lot. This one's beautiful in the shade Megan. Tata Harper lip and cheek tint in Very Vivacious. I wear this a lot. This is like when I'm not really wearing any eye makeup or anything, I wear this. Flesh Beauty Fleshy Lips in Chew. I wear this a lot. The Dior Lip Maximizer in here because I like that a lot. This is good. I like this. This is like, I can get to everything. I don't have to dig through. This is like my everyday stuff that I wear all the time. This also rotates all the time. So if you're like, wait, in other videos you said that this was your favorite. Like, this is always changing. Okay, so it's later in the day. My camera died and then I made lunch and yeah, so if I look different, I don't have lip gloss on, or just like things look different, it's because it's later in the day. Sick of looking at it. Oh, perfect. Can you go sit on the other chair? Please. Blue, please. These are my lippies. I have mostly lippies. This is a mascara, but I've pared this down a lot. I went through it earlier and like got rid of a bunch of stuff, lippies that I don't use anymore. Okay, yeah, go right ahead, Blue. This is the gummy gloss from Ohii Beauty. I just talked about that in my other video. It's freaking bomb. Want one? These are the Hum Nutrition Glow Sweet Glow gummies. Blue's intrigued. I have some palettes. What do you have in here? Oh my god. A lot of compacts with like blushes, highlighters, and bronzers in here, and then I have CC creams, BB creams, primers, then I have blushes and just like these high quality packaging things. And I still have all of this up here, so here's the even more like dun dun dun. That's all makeup too. This is all makeup. Pretty much. The bottom layer is like hair care, but I'm gonna go through this. Oh, Jesus. This is my Ride or Die foundation that I use. It's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. And I just got the Dior Air Flash because I've heard this is like amazeballs and I'm so excited to try this. This is like, I'm actually getting a little stressed now. I don't really know what to do with all this. Okay, hi. So I'm gonna put my makeup back in here. Okay, that actually works well. Okay, that fits really well. Party foul. I don't know if you can see, but these concealers are too tall. Would you guess by looking at this that I hate doing hair? This is all hair care and body care. The Caudalie body line is insanely good. It's heavenly. I don't know if you've ever tried it, but it's heavenly. That was just, I'm not sure how fun that was for me to record. I just recorded some of it, but like in reality there was just too much for me to actually record the whole thing, and like got a little overwhelmed. And also it's just so like feels weird to show so much excess stuff like that. Oh my god, Blue. Really no one needs this much stuff. I'm sure if you're on YouTube and you like beauty videos, then you know how crazy amount like big makeup artists and big beauty bloggers have, like Desi Perkins, Jaclyn Hill, like all them, like their makeup collections are insane. So like compared to that, I don't have that much, but still like this is, I don't need this much. I only have one face, you know? So I just kind of got a little overwhelmed showing that. This is full of expired makeup, broken makeup, random ass things that I never use, like this busted thing, these eyelashes from like 5 years ago, like so many random things. So this is all going away and it feels very good to get that out of there. All my drawers can like open and close smoothly now, which they weren't before. And then all this is giveaway, so make sure you follow my Instagram and you can win these things. There's a lot of good stuff in here. There's like brand new Laura Mercier, brand new Caudalie, brand new Milk makeup, like there's lots of good stuff. So make sure you follow me and don't miss out on that. Here are my brushes. I need to, why is this not focusing? Hello. I need to wash these. But yeah, they're my brushes. And then here's my everyday drawer, which consists of 2 blushes, 1 eyeshadow, 1 bronzer, 1 setting powder, CC cream, 1 concealer, mascara, eyebrow stuff, 1 little eyeshadow, 3 lippies, and like, oh no, 4 lippies and a highlighter. So I feel like that's pretty good. That's really good actually. On my everyday, like this is what I use. And then come down here and I have this is mostly lipsticks, lippies. I have like some dark reds here, some lip glosses here, more lip gloss here, my lip liners, and then like all the Laura Mercier lippies are back there. This is still not ideal because like it's not that easy to get to, so I might have to in the future reorganize it, but for now I think it'll be okay. And then all my palettes are here. And then this, I never had this like this before, but this makes so much more sense. This is my nightly like skincare stuff that I've been using lately. So like I have my Curology, I have a little spot stick from Avon. This is my favorite moisturizer right now. It is literally a game changer. It completely changed my skin, the texture of my skin, everything about my skin. And it's all natural, which is amazing, but I fucking love this. It's almost gone. I've been using it morning and night for weeks and weeks and weeks, and I really like it. This I don't use every day, but I also really been enjoying this, the Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy Beauty. Just came out, but it's a nice resurfacing night serum. I use this a lot, Ohii Beauty Elixir, and then this is my big benzoyl peroxide from acne.org that I use in the morning. And then I have Q-tips and cotton pads that I use with my Fresh Beauty Toner that I also use every day. Hair and body drawer. I have the things I use a lot, like the dry shampoo, and then this is what I use when I get out of the shower. And then I use these like every day as well. And then my deodorant, more extra scrunchies back here. And then this is the makeup. This is the big difference right here. Like this is a big difference. I can actually see everything. Everything is within reach. I have powders, bronzers, blushes, setting powders, foundation sticks from Ohii Beauty. This is like Glossier / highlighters in here. Some Glossier concealers. Caudalie lip balms. Lila B and KRY stuff is over here. Because it just needs to be in its own little thing. Some blushes. Lip balms. Like all these just, this is more by size, but I know what they are from the top. And then my foundations are back here. And then like things that I don't really use but I also don't want to get rid of are also back there. And then this is extra skincare stuff. Or there's a lot of actually like face waters back here too, like face sprays. This is just extra, like I'm fine that this isn't organized because these things barely get used. Like an extra mirror, extra deodorant, extra body butter, extra little travel perfumes, my hair curler on the odd chance that I curl my hair. And then this is still problematic, but I also never really need this. This is just like extra bags for when I travel. Okay, well, I feel much better about that. I can finally have like a clean area, not have products piling out everywhere. I feel good about it. I think it went well. Hopefully this was just, I don't know, entertaining to watch or like helpful. I don't really know if this is helpful, but I'll link where I got those containers from Amazon. Let me know if you want to see any certain videos. Ow, Blue, ow, 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 ow. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, he's mad. It's fine. I've been getting a lot of comments about doing a video about my tattoos, so I will definitely do that. That one I'll probably make a little more like artsy, so I'm gonna need to think on that a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. It's so rainy outside, I love it. Okay, bye guys.